Hi guys, welcome to Tech Joe, my YouTube channel. This is my first video and I just wanted to walk you through kind of like the things that you should expect when you stick around this channel, and what you should hope to learn in the process of sticking around. So we're going to be discussing really three main topics that I've sort of like compartmentalized them, and I just wanted to think they'll be showing on the screen now. We'll be talking, some main stack, some Maven stack, and then we're also going to be discussing some cloud computing, and then we're also going to be talking about AI. Great stuff that is coming, and I want you to subscribe, tell a friend that there's some great content coming. So please subscribe, and just stick around and let's do this together. In the process, I'm gonna learn, you're gonna learn, we'll learn together.